This is a brand new 2014 Ram Truck. Its top features include commercial-free satellite radio, a locking rear differential, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a driver airbag, full power accessories, a security system, traction control, an anti-lock braking system, and an auxiliary power outlet. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Thank you for considering the Larson Automotive Group, serving the Northwest for over 58 years. Come see why we are the largest automotive group in Washington State.